1050 is your stop. In case that starts to get taken out, the long theory will be over for now. Then you will have a larger correction. But till then, I think this is similar to the huddles we see every so often and which resolve on the upside.
Okay. All right. That's how the market is positioned at pre-opening. About 0.4 up on the Nifty Bank. Okay, we don't have too much time, but Deepan, is there any stock that is catching your fancy now?
I think we like the numbers of SBI cards, and I know we want to avoid the banks, NBFCs, but we're keeping a close eye on it, and it's a great business, a lot of scope to scale it up given low penetration levels. Looking at that company in the medium to long term.
All right. Deepan, thank you very much for taking us through the pre-opening and giving us all your stock analysis. The markets have opened 0.25% higher. So it is a bit of a disappointment from the SGX Nifty levels. And it's just holding on to that level now, about 1/3%. The Nifty Bank is actually putting on some more weight. It's up almost 0.8. Tech Mahindra tops the charts, absolutely, up about 2.7, almost 3%, 2.5 to 3%. IndusInd Bank is as well seeing a lot of buying interest. Its board meeting today, where it will perhaps declare exactly how much Route 1 investment is investing and how much more money they're going to raise. That's up about 2%. BPCL, Z Entertainment, Axis Bank, SBI, Tata Motors, Adani Ports, Indian Oil. So oil refiners are good because you can see oil has cooled off a bit, and financiers are seeing a bit of short covering, you will have to say. What's dragging for the market? Bharti Infratel, expectedly so. Rima explained the numbers. And then there's HCL Tech, Infosys, etc., which are dragging a bit. The FMCGs, ITC, Asian Paints, as well an oil play is dragging a bit at this point in time. More of profit taking, you should say. FMCG and pharma are the ignored sectors. Even IT to some extent are the ignored sectors today. The market is looking at economy proxies. Mid-caps?
Well, the mid-cap index is doing well, up about 0.5%. The advanced decline ratio, almost 1,000 stocks on the advancing side. But I'm going to start with the result reactions. United Spirits, after reporting that EBITDA loss of almost 80 crores, United Spirits is now down 1.5%. Bharti Infratel, where the numbers were not great, in fact weak there, down 1.5%. BEL, where there's been a 70% fall in their profits this time, BEL, the stock is down almost about 2%. On the upside, you have Marico, where the numbers were a beat, the stock is holding up well. Pfizer, where there's been a big margin, growth this time around. Pfizer is holding up in the green. You have Escorts, where the management has given positive commentary, so Escorts is looking good. By the way, the stock of the moment now is Tech Mahindra, 4% higher on that stock and huge volumes after the numbers. Some more result reactions in the broader markets. The likes of Tejas Networks, etc., are in the red, post their numbers, disappointing there. Gold loan companies continue to move higher. So Muthoot Finance, Manappuram Finance holding up in the green. Chola Investment, Max Financial. So the entire NBFC space is looking pretty good. And along with Marico, a couple of these other FMCG names like Imami, etc., also holding up well in the green. So it's largely a result reaction day so far. It's Tech Mahindra, which is the star of the show, and it's taken a lot of the IT stocks like TCS with it, up over 1%. But Anuj, good, decent opening for the market. Nifty now veering towards that 11,200 mark, and Bank Nifty trying to recover a lot of what it lost yesterday. But what did you make of the opening?
I think the first morning trade is about some short covering in the Bank Nifty after yesterday.